Hey everyone, welcome back to Dynamics 365 Universe, your space for smart, practical tutorials on Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to update model parameters in D365F&O. Whether you're adding model references, changing metadata, or configuring isolation settings. Let's dive in. So, why would you need to update model parameters in the first place? You might need to add new model references to access objects from other models. Update the model version, publisher, or description. Modify isolation settings to control dependencies between models. Let's take a quick example. You're building a custom model called D365U, but you want to extend the standard SalesTable, which belongs to the ApplicationSuite model. That means, you'll need to add a reference to ApplicationSuite in your model settings. Otherwise, you'll run into errors when trying to access SalesTable from your custom objects. Now let's see how to actually update your model parameters. Step 1. Open Visual Studio in the D365 development environment. Make sure you run it as administrator. Step 2. Go to the Dynamics 365 menu, then Model Management, then Update Model Parameters. A list of available models will appear. Choose the one you want to update and click Next. Here, you can update several things. The model name, although not recommended once the model is in use. The publisher and description. The model version, helpful for tracking updates. And most importantly, model references. To allow your model to use objects from another model, just click Add Reference. Select the needed model, like Application Common or any. Then hit OK, and it's added to your model's reference list. Once done, click Next, then Finish to apply the changes. Pro tip: restart Visual Studio to make sure everything gets refreshed properly. Let's quickly recap. Use Update Model Parameters to manage references, version info, and isolation. Always add required model references to avoid build errors. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team. Subscribe to Dynamics 365 Universe for more real-world tips and hands-on tutorials.